Hi, boys and girls. So the last lesson we talked about what a balance scale is and how when you use the balance scale, you're comparing the weight of two different objects. And the heavy object goes down and the light object goes up. And if they weigh the same, they will stay even. So today we're going to find out that more of the same unit will weigh more. So let me draw a little scale for you right over here on the side. Okay. What if I put one banana over here and I wanted to add, and I'm not going to put them on the scale yet because I want you to guess what you think, okay? And I have 3 bananas that I want to put here. What do you think will happen? Do you think that the 3 bananas will go up? Or do you think the 3 bananas will cause the balance to go down? Just think about it for a minute. Okay, if you said that the 3 bananas would go down, you are correct because 3 bananas weigh more than 1 banana. Okay, let me get my 3 bananas here. And let me put my 1 banana here. Okay. All right, so now that we know that the more of something there is, the heavier it will be. So if I have 1 cookie in one hand and I have 8 cookies in my other hand, the 8 cookies is going to weigh more than just the 1 cookie, right? Okay, so you're going to need your workbook page 291. So you can pause the video, go get that. So we're going to work on the front together. And then whenever you get it, come back and unpause the video. Okay, so let's take a look at number 1. It says, draw the sets of oranges on the correct sides of the scale. Complete the sentence. So step 1 is draw the sets of oranges. Well, first of all, let's talk about the 2 sets of oranges. I'm going to circle the first set in blue so you can see it easily. The second set, I'm going to circle in pink. Those are the 2 sets we're going to compare the weights of. So let me change my color of my pen here for you. I'm going to make my answers in bright red so you can see them well. So we have 3 oranges and then we have 5 oranges. Which set do you think would be lightest? Do you think the 3 oranges would be lighter than the 5 oranges? Or do you think the 5 oranges would be lighter than the 3 oranges? Or you could think of it as which set would be heavier. Maybe that's easier to think about. Well, let's do the heavier one. Which set do you think would be heavier? If you said the set of 5 oranges, you are correct. So we're going to draw that set of oranges here. We're going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 oranges on the scale on the low side. You go ahead and draw your 5 oranges on the low side. Now we're going to go ahead and draw the lighter set, which is the set of 3. 1, 2, 3. Because 3 oranges is lighter than 5 oranges. Or you could say 5 oranges is heavier than 3 oranges. Now we're going to fill in the answers to the sentence. The sentence says, let me get my pointer here for you, blank oranges weigh less than blank oranges. So they want to know How many oranges weigh less? And that would be this set right here. So we want to write 3 oranges weigh less than 5 oranges. Write in your answers. Now for 2 and 3, we're going to read the scale. So we're going to look at it and see which object is heavier and which one is lighter. And we're going to answer the sentence. We're going to fill in the sentence with the correct answer. So look at number 2. Look at the scale. Let's read the sentence. The strawberry is blank the apple. The strawberry is heavier than, as heavy as, or lighter than the apple. Make your choice. If you said lighter than, you are correct. Now we're going to look at number 3. We have a watermelon and we have an apple. See which one is heavier, which one is lighter. Now we're going to read the sentence. The watermelon is blank the apple. So it's asking, the watermelon is heavier than, as heavy as, or lighter than the apple. Make your choice. If you said heavier than, you are correct. Oops, my page turned. There it is. Heavier than. Okay, fill that in. Now take a look at number 4. At the bottom of the page, right there where you can see my pointer swirling around number 4, we have 2 scales. We're going to circle the correct scale. And then we're going to mark our answer on the bottom. So this first scale, we see the watermelon is low and the strawberry is high. So what that tells us is this scale is saying that the watermelon is heavier than the strawberry. Or we could say that the strawberry is lighter than the watermelon. Now let's look at the other scale. This scale is saying that the strawberry is heavier than the watermelon, and that the watermelon is lighter than the strawberry. Which scale is correct? If you said the first one, where the strawberry is lighter than the watermelon, you are correct. Go ahead and circle that one. And now we're going to fill in the sentence. The sentence says, the strawberry is heavier than or lighter than the watermelon. Think about it. The strawberry, is it heavier or lighter than the watermelon? If you said lighter, you are correct. Okay, so just remember, if something is heavier, it will go down. If something is lighter, it will go up. And if they weigh the same, the scale will balance. That's why it's called a balance, and it will be even on both sides. All right, so your assignment is to do the back of this page, page 292. And I'm also going to tell you about your homework page. You need to work on that and turn that in also, page 257 and 258 of your reviews book. All right. Until next time.